All right, welcome back, my dear students. So on this lecture, we are going to be taking this to a live server and testing it out. All right, we're gonna test out to see if we send a request to this page, reply.php, what are we gonna get? All right, what are we gonna get in response? Right, is this gonna work? Well, it's supposed to work. If it doesn't, we'll debug it. Right, but anyway, aside from this, guys, if you have any questions, we're here to offer the most quick responses. But if you can't find a response, if you can't get a response really quick from this course, make sure you go to the docs. All right, guys, everything is in the documentation. Just look it up. All right, go to the Twilio docs, and you should be able to do a lot more things than what we're doing in this course. You're going to be able to send multimedia messages, even calls to your application. All you have to do is go to the documentation with the knowledge that you got here now. You're able to do that. All right, and you are able to even go to other APIs out there and play around with them. All right, cool. Now, one thing for those of you that don't have a hosting service, I want you to still look at this course, okay? But if you're looking for a really affordable, really with great customer service hosting provider, go to my website, edwindiaz.com. On resources here, I have a special link that GoDaddy gave me for my students. I told them that I wanted to save my students money, and some of them did not have a lot of money to be paying 15 bucks a month or 20 bucks a month for a hosting provider, right? So they gave me this link here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for $1 a month for hosting, and they're going to give you a free domain, all right, for 1 year. So you got a whole year to play around with it, all right? And then after that, it's going to go back like to $4.99 or $5.99 or something like that a month. But you still get the domain for free. So $1 a month, a cPanel account, which is like a $15 a month account, and a free domain, guys. You can't really go wrong with that. So again, it's in there. All right, cool. So let's take this online and let's have some fun with it. I'm going to be using cPanel with my account. I have the same account as I'm actually giving to you guys. Well, I have this same account here. I signed up for it. So that's what I got right now. So it only takes one domain, all right? I cannot have multiple domains. But what I'm doing is that I'm have all my domains in all my applications in folders. So I have one domain, which is Code College, edwincodecollege.com, and I have different applications in here. So I got one CMS, I have a CI application, it's a codeigniter, I have I believe a gallery one, all right, which is pretty cool, as you can see. There's a whole bunch of applications that we create here in this on my courses, and I have them here so you can see them. All right, anyway, so first things first, we need to build a database first of all for our application. So let's go to the database wizard on cPanel. I'm going to create a database, so I'm going to say CMS 2 underscore DB. Already have, it looks like I already had something like that before. CMS 2 DB, like this. Alright, I'm gonna save all this information in a text file. So that's what I'm looking for. Make sure you have that. That's the database name. Database user, I'm gonna make it the same. Password, I'm gonna generate this. And yes, I have copied everything. I'm gonna use that password. Make sure you copy your password here. Cool. So I'm gonna create a user, and I'm gonna make sure that user has privileges to do what he wants to do. All privileges. Cool. All right, so that is created. If I go back to my cPanel, what I want to do is I want to go to phpMyAdmin, and here I want to create a column, right, for that specific database. This column is going to be named verifications. Two columns. One is going to be an ID, int, auto increment, and primary. Cool. And this one's going to be code. We're going to say varchar 200 characters. Save. Alright, that's it for that. Cool. Then what I want to do is I want to go to my files and I want to compress my application. CMS. I'm going to compress and make it into a zip folder. All right, and then I want to go to cPanel again. If I can get to it between my millions of screens that I got all over the place. Give me 1 second. It's my database there. All right, cool. Right here. There we go. Sorry guys, but I got like 5 monitors around me, so, and I have hundreds of things. All right, so let's go to cPanel real quick and let's upload that folder to our public directory. Make sure that we are in the public directory, and I think I already have one here somewhere. SMS. I have a WordPress in there as well, but anyway, let's just upload this, and that should be here. Yes, I have one already, but I'm overriding it. So if I go back to cPanel and I refresh, that SMS should be here. I'm gonna right click on it and I'm gonna extract it. Cool. So now if I go to that, let's see if I can find it. Let's go here. Edwin College SMS, and then public. All right. Of course, it's denied because our application doesn't have the credentials to connect to that database yet. All right. But if we try to access that SMS app, we shouldn't be able to. All right. Mine is taking me to a page not found, so that's a good sign. All right. But anyway, you should have that above, before your public directory. All right. All right. So public right here. All right, so let's actually connect that. There's those credentials. Let's make sure that we have those in place. So SMS, let's go in there and let's go to our app folder and our config. Oops. Right click on it, code edit, and let's see if we have. All right, so our root directory. Our DB user is the same as the database name, so I have that in my clipboard. Paste it, and we are going to be pasting the database information as well, and the password was a really tough one. I gotta copy this down. All right, cool. All right, and save it. Let's go back to it, refresh, and as you can see, it looks like it's working. So let's send some type of text. Hello. All right. Let me bring out my Google account. See if my Google Voice, which is basically my phone, as you can see, it says hello there. All right. Let's do hello too. Oh, what am I doing? Hello from live server. I just want to make sure that this is working in my live server. Hello from live server. Okay, cool. All right, we can send a code. Code has been sent. As you can see, the code is here, and we can also verify that we have some data in here as well. So we can copy this, go to verify, and your account has been verified. If we go back to there, this has been deleted. So our main functionalities are working. We're able to send texts, we're able to send the code, and we are able to verify. On the next lecture, what we're going to be testing is our reply, all right, page. So let's test that on the next lecture. Thank you so much, guys. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next lecture.